So I've used ChatGPT to generate a nice juicy barbecue chicken burger. And I'm going to show you in this video how easy it is to use ChatGPT feature to generate images. This is one of the newest feature in ChatGPT, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it. Now, once you're in ChatGPT, guys, all you have to do is look towards the left hand side and you will find images. Once you click on that, you'll be taken over to where you can easily describe whatever image you want. You can use text or you can use your voice to dictate or speak what you want to generate. Now you also have some styles right here that you can use if you want it in sketch, if you want it in whatever dramatic, whatever it is you want, you can go ahead. There are multiple different options available, and so you can choose these. Also, you have a section called Discover Something New that you can also go through and basically see what you can create. There's quite a few options here. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use, for example, the ink work. This might be cool. Let me go ahead and try this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and let's say upload an image of mine. You can do multiple things, as I said. That was just me generating an image, and so I'm gonna find a picture of myself that I can actually use the AI to, let's say, do an ink work. So let me find a picture of myself. Let me go ahead and use, for example, this image right here, and I'm gonna upload that. And once I have that image upload, it's going to go ahead now and generate it for me. So what we want to do is just wait for the AI to do its thing, and it's going to create an ink work of my image. So there's multiple ways about that. So you can easily go ahead and use ChatGPT newest image feature to generate image in whatever style you want. Or you can just use words to basically describe what you want. Now, as you can see, my image is coming alive, and you can bet that it's going to look absolutely stunning. Now have a look at that. I think it's crazy cool. I really like it. It's really interesting. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as I said, you can use multiple different features. With once you generate your image, you can easily go ahead and click on that image, and you can go ahead and click on save. It's gonna go ahead and download the image for you, and you can open up that image on your PC. So that's super cool. So as I mentioned, you can go ahead and describe whatever. You can use any of its features to generate whatever. So this was my wonderful barbecue chicken burger from ChatGPT. And I could have said, just generate me whatever it is. Right? And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Go ahead and check it out. I'm sure you'll really enjoy this new feature in ChatGPT.